When you purchase InstantRail, it ships to you in one box. Let's take a look and see what's included and what you can expect to see when you open the shipping box. When you open the box, you should see everything neatly packaged inside. You'll see one top rail, one mid rail, two posts, binding bolt pack with 4 binding bolts and 2 Allen keys, fastener pack with both wood and concrete fasteners. The concrete fasteners can also be used on brick, and it comes with the appropriate T30 and T40 driver bits. You'll see base trim with wedges for plumbing the post. And finally, you'll see assembly and installation instructions. And that's everything that comes with your InstantRail.